Imagine a world where everything you see around you, from the toys you play with to the parks you visit, is connected by one big idea: the economy. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of Ontario's economy. We'll learn about what the economy is, the goods produced in Ontario, and the services that people provide. Let's get started.
Brought to you by Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work. Discover the full range of what we offer at supersimplesheets.com.
What is the economy? The economy is like a giant piggy bank for a region, full of the money that people make. In Ontario, we have a strong economy because people work hard to make goods and provide services. But what exactly are goods and services? Let's break it down. Goods. A good is something that has been produced or made. Factories across Ontario make goods that are sold all around the world. This makes money for Ontario's economy, which is important because it pays for things like parks, hospitals, and schools. Here are some examples of goods made in Ontario. Automobiles. Did you know that Ontario is one of the largest automobile producers in North America? Factories in cities like Oshawa and Windsor build cars for companies like General Motors and Ford. Technology. Companies in Ontario produce high-tech goods like computers, video games, and even parts for space exploration. Agricultural products. Ontario's farms produce goods like apples, corn, and dairy products that are sold both locally and internationally. Manufactured goods. Tools, clothing, and household items are made in Ontario's factories and sold around the world. Services. A service is something that someone does for you. People pay for services just like they pay for goods. Here are some examples of services provided in Ontario. Healthcare. Ontario has some of the best hospitals in Canada, like SickKids in Toronto, where doctors and nurses provide specialized care for children. Education. Teachers provide the service of educating students in schools across the province. Schools like the University of Toronto are famous for their high-quality education. Hospitality. Waiters and waitresses in restaurants serve food and drinks, making sure we have a great dining experience. Maintenance. Custodians clean buildings and keep them safe and tidy for us to use. Mechanics. When cars need fixing, mechanics step in to repair them. In places like Hamilton, mechanics work on everything from everyday cars to big industrial machines. Realtors. When people want to buy or sell a house, realtors help them find the best deals. The real estate market in cities like Ottawa and Mississauga is very busy, and realtors are always helping people find new homes. Public safety. Firefighters in Toronto and police officers in communities all over Ontario work hard to keep us safe. They are always ready to respond to emergencies and protect our neighborhoods. The economy in action. Let's talk about how these goods and services help create a strong economy in Ontario. When people buy goods and pay for services, money is exchanged. This exchange of money keeps the economy moving and growing. Here's how it works. Earning money. People earn money by working in different jobs, like building cars, teaching students, or serving food in restaurants. Spending money. When people spend money on goods and services, they help businesses grow. For example, when you buy a new toy made in Ontario, the money you spend helps the factory that made the toy. Creating jobs. As businesses grow, they need more workers. This means more jobs for people in Ontario. A strong economy creates lots of different kinds of jobs. Building communities. The money earned from goods and services helps pay for important things in our communities like parks, hospitals, and schools. This makes our towns and cities better places to live. By making and selling goods, and by providing and paying for services, everyone helps keep Ontario's economy strong and healthy. Bringing it all together. Ontario's economy is a huge and exciting system that includes making goods and providing services. From the cars built in Windsor to the teachers educating students in schools, every part of the economy plays a vital role. Thanks to this strong economy, we have beautiful parks, great hospitals, and wonderful schools. Next time you see a new toy, a clean park, or get help from a doctor, you'll know a bit more about the economy that makes it all possible.
Thanks for watching. Simplify your teaching journey with Super Simple Sheets. Across Canada, we're known for our ready-to-use, curriculum-aligned worksheets. Dive into our educational solutions at supersimplesheets.com. Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook for weekly free resources, and don't forget to like and subscribe.